What if you could write a story so powerful you control somebody else's emotions? A story which engages feelings, makes a person empathise and laugh. Feel anger, sorrow, and joy. Stories so powerful they can change the way we think. We read, we write, we publish. We publish our words, words from our own ideas, thoughts and dreams for someone else to read, to feel the journey, to live the journey. And you can do it too.
I'm joined on the phone now by Bev Cooperthwaite, who's in sunny Hambridge this morning. Good morning, Bev.
Good morning, Gavin.
And you're an author.
I am.
Tell us all what your pen name is.
It's Evelyn Winters.
Stories can transport your readers to another place, in another time. We can take them anywhere we want. We can make them feel any emotion we want. We can even make them feel fear. Make your dream come alive and let someone read your story. Publish with the help of the Evelyn Winters adventure.